YouTube citizens, that is the complete installation of the 6.7 series rail, the large carbon fiber matte finished arm, and the universal device holder. First, I apologize because I did it at night. I recorded it. I got antsy. I got way ahead of myself. And I was just really excited to install this. As you can see, the point where I ended up drilling, it's still a weak point. It wobbles back and forth, but it is definitely a lot better than the gooseneck arm that I had connected from here, really just clamped here, and then to this point, excuse me. So obviously I can move this, I'm exaggerating, right? I can move this back and forth, tilt this really 360, whichever position I want. And the reason I chose there is for the simple reason, if I need a text or Google Maps, I use Google Maps a lot, it's easier for me to rest this and go from there. One of the main reasons I got in first place a gooseneck arm was when I was going down to Austin for auditions, or even going into Dallas for auditions. I didn't know downtown Austin or the rural areas for driving. I didn't know the ins and outs, the little shortcuts to take, so I installed that gooseneck arm. Let me take this out. I installed this gooseneck arm really to help me out with directions. And after spending some time, after that, really like 4 years, 5 years, trying to figure out what's the better solution, I didn't want to drill into anything, right? I almost came close to drilling into here, but I did not want to drill into any part of the vehicle, for the simple reason is whether I end up trading in the car, whether I end up selling it, whatever, I didn't want anything to kind of diminish the value. There you go. Little rubber neoprene style in there. That spins 360 because it's not tight from that point. And let me get the camera on the tripod and I will show you. Actually, I can show you here with this. Let's see where that opening is. There you go. Move that any position. Drinking my coffee right now. Move that in any position you'd like. Tighten this bad boy up. Even when you tighten this up, this feels super solid. So you can tighten this bad boy down as hard as you want with your hand strength, and then the little turn key that they have. So whatever you are mounting does not fall down or move. There you go. Really solid unit. I love this. Definitely fell in love with this. Well guys, if you have any questions, I will try my best to answer them with the knowledge I have. I mean, it's definitely a nice solid unit. Obviously, this railing mount system on, you know, the vehicles that they're specifically made for, designed for, are either up here on the dash or somewhere in this middle console, right? Or even up here. But I decided to mount mine right there on the side panel. Again, still a weak point, you can kind of see it shakes there, but I am completely happy with it. See if you can get a further look back. Looks a lot better. Looks actually like it goes with the vehicle too. So, if in doubt, just buy it. Can't go wrong. Thank you guys for watching.